Welcome viewers, you're watching NewsX and I'm Vaishali Kohli. Twisha Sharma, a 31-year-old former Miss Pune contestant and MBA graduate from Noida, was found hanging at her marital home in Bhopal's Katara Hills on May 12, 2026, just 5 months after her marriage to lawyer Samarth Singh. She was reportedly 2 months pregnant at the time. Her family received a distress call from her shortly before and was later informed she was not breathing. While the initial probe suggested suicide by hanging, serious doubts have emerged due to injury marks on her body and alleged irregularities. Twisha's family has strongly alleged that the initial investigation and post-mortem were biased and influenced, pointing to her mother-in-law's position as a retired judge and her husband's role as a lawyer. They have refused to perform the last rites, staging protests including outside the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister's residence, and demanded a fresh post-mortem at AIIMS Delhi. A court-monitored probe and transfer to an independent agency like the CBI, claiming evidence, destruction and a cover-up to portray it as a suicide. The initial post-mortem at AIIMS Bhopal concluded death due to ante-mortem hanging by ligature, indicating she was alive when hanged. However, it also noted multiple ante-mortem injuries on other parts of her body. A recent medical termination of pregnancy about a week prior and samples sent for toxicology and histopathology. These findings, along with reported procedural lapses, have fueled the family's suspicions of foul play beyond suicide. Twisha's family has accused her husband, Advocate Samarth Singh, who is absconding, and mother-in-law, retired Judge Giribala Singh, of dowry harassment, prolonged mental and physical abuse, and pressuring her to terminate the pregnancy while demanding money and property transfers. An FIR has been registered against them for dowry death, harassment and abetment to suicide. The family claims the in-laws used their legal influence to manipulate the probe, while the mother-in-law's bail plea counters by alleging Twisha had drug issues and mood swings leading to suicide. Twisha's family is demanding justice. They want answers about what happened to their daughter, who once was their pride, yet died only 5 months into her marriage. While the cause of death is still unknown, serious lapses have been reported, from lawyers not wanting to take up Twisha's case to police officials allegedly mistreating Twisha's family. As the case progresses, with the Supreme Court set to soon hear petitions from both sides, the question that remains is, what really happened to Twisha in the last 5 months of her life? Let's now take a look at what the family has told the Supreme Court and what they are demanding. Let me show you that, viewers, on the big screen. Now, Twisha's family to the Supreme Court. Let's talk about allegation 1. This is a planned murder plot is what they are saying. Twisha's death was an orchestrated murder, not a suicide. That's allegation number 1. Let's move on to the second one. Anomalies in neck injuries and blunt force wounds pointed to a pre-mortem assault. Those images, of course, viewers, we have shown you yesterday, but we had to, of course, blur them. But there are injuries on her body as well. Pregnancy and torture. Twisha was enduring extreme physical and mental domestic abuse while she was pregnant, is what her family is alleging. Let's talk about the severe harassment and extortion which they're talking about, which began immediately following her honeymoon. And yesterday, viewers, when we had her father in conversation, he also said that the problem started on day 1. Judicial and legal leverage. The accused mother-in-law is a highly influential retired senior district judge, which is what they are saying is making this murkier, the investigation. The husband is a local criminal advocate leveraging connections to evade justice. Another allegation by the girl's family. So these are, of course, the allegations that we're getting you. Now, another one, viewers, another important allegation is the Lokayukta interference. The family fears the MP Lokayukta is using constitutional clout to derail the probe. And now, of course, I want to go back